I caught a glimpse of you out on the road, crying like a dove.